Viewers, first of all, I want to thank you for your support for our coverage of the massive controversy, the huge controversy around Saif Ali Khan. What exactly has been going on here? One thing is clear to me, that Saif Ali Khan is giving some kind of an explanation now, but nobody believes him. Nobody believes the version put out by the police. It is not adding up. The faces don't match. The pictures don't match. There is no logic in the story. Ladies and gentlemen, at no point of time is there one linear explanation for what happened on the night of January 16th. Why was Kareena not there? And now, most importantly, why was there a 1 hour, 41-minute delay after he received life-threatening injuries when the hospital is 5 minutes away from his house? It's just not adding up. Now, some time back, we've confronted the CEO of the Lilavati Hospital, ladies and gentlemen, where an individual called Parambir Singh, by the way, is also having some kind of a job. Remember Parambir Singh? No comments from my side, I'll just emphasize the fact. Remember Parambir Singh? He's the guy at Lilavati now, by the way. And I'll show you that exchange, and let's see how much information is shared by the Lilavati Hospital CEO. Not Parambir Singh, who's also working there, but the CEO. And after that, a report on the latest contradictions in the Saif case. And then we're going to go deep into this till 10 o'clock. So fasten your seatbelts. Here's the latest.
Sir, speak to Republic, sir. Talk to Republic. Talk to Republic, sir. Sir, who took Saif to hospital?
Sorry.
Sir, who took his son? His son or his friend?
No, his son.
His son. But that report suggested that his friend Afsar Zaidar took him.
No, he came by auto rickshaw. We have CCTV footage with his son and one caretaker.
One caretaker and his son. So what is that report suggested, sir?
Thank you.
Sir, what is the truth, sir? What is the truth?
Family will give you more details.
You only, sir. You only. Sir, what is the truth actually?
Thank you, madam.
Sir, there are lots of questions, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank
Sir,
you.
there are lots of questions, sir.
Nearly a week into the Saif attack investigation, curious questions continue to stare the Mumbai police in the face. After two senior Mahayuti leaders questioned their own police administration on the glaring lapses in the case, more inconsistencies are threatening to debunk the Saif theories. Many are now wondering why it took Saif more than 2 hours to reach the Lilavati hospital, which is all of 2.2 kilometers away from his residence. While the attack on Saif was reportedly around 2 a.m. as per the FIR, he was brought to Lilavati at 4:11 a.m. There is also no clarity on who accompanied the injured actor to the hospital. While some claim Saif's elder son Ibrahim accompanied him to the hospital, the auto rickshaw driver who drove him to Lilavati said he was convinced he saw Taimur sitting by Saif's side as he was wheeling him to Lilavati.
क्या करा रहे थे दर्द से?
हल्का फुल्का करा रहे थे और अपने बच्चे से थोड़ा मोड़ा बात कर रहे थे।
बच्चा क्या कह रहा था?
बस कुछ नहीं, जैसे नॉर्मल सी बात हो रही थी उनसे, ज़्यादा कोई ऐसा कोई घबराहट की बात नहीं थी, आपसी बात जो भी थी।
करीना भी बैठी थी क्या गाड़ी में?
नहीं, करीना नहीं बैठी थी, करीना नहीं देखा।
But the medico-legal report in the case, accessed by Republic, states that Afsar Zaidi, a friend of Saif's, brought him to the hospital. Who is he and why did nobody mention him all along? As the curious questions mount, will Saif come forward and clarify?